I believe that everybody in Australia had their own houses and family. My family told me that Australia would be a lovely country and friendly. Some people in Australia thought I was from Vietnam because I hang out with my friends who are Vietnamese, but I'm from Xiamen in the south of China. I wanted to write that Australia is very quiet because the cars and drivers aren't being all the time, not like in China. I had never thought I would go to Australia and make a lot of friends from different countries such as Syria, Italy, and Cambodia. I had always wanted to fly into the sky with wings. I hear someone speaking my language in year 10. My math teacher spoke some words in Mandarin, the word for square root and trigonometry, and this made me feel they were very kind. I mean, like I see my parents.